Hello, my name's Dr. Jones and I'm very proud to be a teacher at the Hong Kong Baptist University affiliated school, secondary and primary school. I'm in the secondary school and I'm part of a wonderful team, and my job right now is to revise with you guys your 44 sounds of the English language. And I'm going to start off a little bit revision the vowel sounds, because remember there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and there's 21 consonants. So I'm going to start off with the long sound of the vowels, okay? So here we go, the long sound, okay? So we got A, like an ape, we got E, we got I, we got O, and we got U. And they're the long vowel sounds, so you may want to stop the video now and just revise the long sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? You need to know that. Right, the next one obviously are the short sounds of the vowels. Here we go, the short vowel sounds, which is A, E, I, O, O, A. Okay, now you need to know those 10 sounds, long and short vowel sounds, okay? Now, I'm going to go through the 44 sounds now of the English language, and I'm going to show you a word with that sound in it. And the sound will be underlined in green, okay? So, the first sound is ya. Yes. Wa. Window. Red. Now, with the sound you need to put your tongue, this one, on the top of your mouth and make your lips round like you're kissing somebody, like this, and go and breathe out, and the sound comes from your throat, so red and read and rabbit and rain, so read. Okay, you're doing well, you're doing well. Next one is Now the sound is very similar to the R sound, the okay? You put your tongue on the top of your mouth again, like that, but your mouth goes flat. So don't go like smile a little bit. So, see, live, lion, light, okay? That's the sound. Okay, next one. Easy one, hello. Now, next one is and to put your teeth together, no. Now the next sound is a little bit of a blend. We have a very similar sound to but it's got the G in it. So this is and this sound comes from the back of your throat, like sing, sing. The sound comes from this, okay? Right, now, you may want to stop the video now and repeat and revise those sounds, okay? If not, then I'll carry on. Right. The next sound, the easy one, milk, milk, okay? Here we go. Next sound, casual, casual. This is the Z sound. I know it's a letter S, but sometimes we pronounce S like a Z. This is Z, casual, casual. Okay. Now, coming on to another sound with the letter S in it. This is another sound, S, sh. So, sh, and the sound comes from your mouth, not here, not there, but from your mouth. So short, short. And here we go now. This is the classic Z sound. Z if you're American, or Z or Z. I don't care. I know what it's called. This is the letter Z. This is the sound Z. Z. Zoo. Zoo. Okay. Z. Zoo. Alright. Here we go. The basic S sound. S. Like a snake. Okay. Six. Six. Now we've got the letter T and H together now to make the th sound. Now you must put your tongue in between your teeth, okay? Th, 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 the. Or some people pronounce the, or the. Okay, but you must stick your tongue between your teeth and stick your tongue out. The. Okay, here's another. Okay, this is th. Think. 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 Alright, now here's another one. This is v. Now with the v sound, okay, you must stick your lower lip inside your mouth, okay? So this is v. Very. Very. Okay. Okay, you're doing well. Well done. Right, here we get the letter F, which makes the five. Okay, five. Five. The letter F. Okay. Okay, here's an easy sound. This sound comes from your throat and your chest. Okay, G. G. Go. Go. Okay. Here's the letter K. The letter K makes the K sound, similar to C. The C makes the K sound too, and so does the letter K. And this comes from your throat. The sound comes from your throat. K. Kilo. 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 Okay. Right. Here we have two sounds here. Okay. They sound the same, but they're spelled differently. This is the J sound. J. 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 And the J sound comes from your chest. Put your hand in your chest and say J. You should feel a little bit of a vibration there. J. And here as well. J. J. Okay. J. J. So J makes the J sound and GE makes the J sound. Judge. Okay. Here we go. CH. Ch. Church. Ch. Church. D. Do. Do. D. Do. Okay. Here we go. It's a vowel sound. I. Time. The letter I. Sound is I. Time. Okay. Here's another vowel sound. E. Bed. E. Bed. Here's another vowel sound. I. Pig. I. Pig. Okay. Another vowel sound. Ow. How. Okay. The O and W, very easy to say together. How. How. Okay. Okay, this is a consonant, but it makes a vowel sound. Confuses a lot of people, but don't worry. The letter Y is pronounced I. So my. I. My. Okay. Right, here we put two vowels together. Okay. This is the word where. So this sound is eh. Where. Eh. Where. Okay. Here's another vowel sound. Oh. Not. Oh. Not. Oh, yes. Here's a vowel and a consonant together to give the R sound. R. Part. Part. Alright? Here's another vowel sound, which is the sound a. But. But. A. But. Here we go. Easy sound a. Cat. Cat. Here we go. O. Go. Go. Alright? Here another letter O, but it's a different sound, okay? The long and short sounds. This is oi. Boy. Okay? This is the oi, the long sound. Boy. Okay. Here we have two vowels together. You know the O sound. Tor. Oh, oh. Tor. Okay. Here's another O sound. Sort. Or sort. This is another different sound to the OR, which is word. You pronounce this as if it was an E, ER. Word. Okay. Right, here with the basic sound of letter A, which is A or A. This is America. Alright, you've got men. Alright, this is the A sound. Day, A. This is the here. Alright, you all know this sound? Ooh, two. And this is the other one that you know, which is the book. Alright? Here we got the I sound. Sit. Sit. Okay. And lastly, we have the EA sound, which is E. Read. Okay. Now, if you go back and count, you have the 44 sounds of the English language alphabet. Sorry, not alphabet, it's the phonetical alphabet. Alright, now if you have any problems, then come and see me in school. I'll be in staff room B. Alright, and I expect to see you in school. And keep on practicing and practice. Okay? Right, it's easy. Alright, see you in school. Bye.